Okay, welcome to another episode of Business Analytics on the Blockchain, guys.
Hi.
Oh, you're muted, Ricky. Shouldn't you be non-muted and say hi?
Hey.
Okay, so we've had a little bit of a hiatus, not because we're lazy, but because we offered a hackathon on blockchain data here at CU Boulder, Leeds. So we had 70 participants, right?
Yes.
Plus, we had a bunch of people from companies. We were excited to have Kyle, Simon, Ricky. Ricky, that's you, isn't it, Ricky? And Aidan from Edge and Node. We had Red from Masari, and we had Gokai from Semiotic Labs. So that was quite an impressive group, I have to say. I learned a ton. I do think we need to thank the Graph Foundation for funding the prizes in GRT. Very much appreciated. Thank you. And we had these teams solve business problems using blockchain data on the graph. And we have a winner. So the big winners were the Gravy Train, and we are sharing their whole video at the end of this video, right? Huge congratulations to Aidan Price, Sean Bowen, Lexi Dingle, and Jozie Wille. So yay! Okay, short video from us today, but we certainly put a lot of time and effort into the hackathon, so I think it's reasonable to keep it short. What do you guys say? Want to say goodbye to our audience for today?
Yeah, it was great to record this video. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
DeFi standard. This is the Gravy Train's flavorful take on DeFi standard risk metrics by Sean, Lexi, Aidan, and Jozie. The business problem we took on is that we helped identify the lack of cohesive metrics to compare risk across different lending protocols as each differ in their own way.
Our solution to answer this problem is that first we decided to take a closer look into the available metrics across these subgraphs listed below. And after our initial investigation, we were able to come up with the two metrics below of loan to value ratio and market confidence to focus on. And we were able to create a code that allowed users to compare subgraphs and their risks.
So this is the code that we used for our project. Our tech stack mainly consists of GraphQL, Python, along with Google Data Studio. Here, we just have a hard-coded for loop that pulls all the information that we need. However, in the future, we'd like to see something that automatically pulls information from the subgraph, eliminating the list up above in cell 1. Then here is going to be the final product, which is our dashboard comparing the loan to value ratios and also the market confidence in each one of the protocols. Something cool about this is that you can also filter it by certain ones, so you can only compare 3 out of the 5 if that is what you're interested in.
Given further time to dive deeper into our analysis, we would go in to develop a comprehensive and transparent risk analysis that could be applied to more protocols across Web3. Some other things we'd want to look into is the threat of a cascading liquidation among borrowers. We also see a potential in incorporating executed position risk, looking into the Gini index and how the distribution of wealth across a protocol can affect the risk, as well as collateral composition if it's in US dollars or something riskier like Dogecoin, and how that may be able to be incorporated into our code and therefore into our risk metrics.